Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready, signed in and on a supported browser. First, go to Sheets, Google, or open Drive and click New Google Sheets. Once the blank sheet opens, name it in the top left to keep versions clear. This saves automatically. Make sure you choose a template only if you want pre-built structure, otherwise stick with blank. As you begin, check the top menu, File, Edit view, so you know where tools live before adding data. Now structure the sheet. First, rename the file and set locale and time zone via file settings so dates and currency behave correctly. Next, freeze one or two header rows using View Freeze, then resize columns and apply number or date formats from the toolbar so values sort predictably. Use Data Create a filter and data validation to prevent bad entries. Once done, add conditional formatting to highlight issues and write a sample formula to test calculations. Finish by sharing. Click Share, set viewer/commenter/editor permissions, and add a message if needed. Protect ranges when required. Export copies via file download as XLSX or CSV, or enable offline in file so you can work without internet. Make sure autosave is functioning. Sheet saves continuously, but confirm the status in the top bar. If something goes wrong, check your internet, verify you're signed into the correct Google account, and ensure you aren't exceeding your drive storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.